My name is Kevin Bauer. I work at the Scottrade Center, St. Louis Blues, and I graduated from Maryville University in December of 2016.
Mark Tellender, Rawlings Sporting Goods, bat product manager, graduated 2011 and also 2014 with the MBA.
It is unlike anything I've ever been a part of before. I've seen a lot of different students that we have here, intern-wise, and by far, it is a program that sets the pace. It's a leader. I felt that walking out of Maryville in December, that I was prepared for the real world and to come into this industry.
My experience in the Rawlings Sport Business Management program has really shaped my career today. It allowed me to put my hands into multiple facets of different sports business management organizations. It allowed me to come back to Rawlings as a graduate intern and basically allowed me to start the career as an intern and build to where I am in my professional career today.